Yeah, Mitch. Work that area, Mitch. Work that bolt, you dirty whore. Work it, Mitch. Oh, Speedo. What'd you kill it for?
That's it.
Huh?
That's it.
Mitch, you're on video.
Yeah.
You know that? Speedo broke the machine.
No, I didn't.
Who's in the operator's seat?
Wow, these are loose. Alright, can you just shut it off now?
I want to see you work, Mitch. This is the first time I've ever seen you do this.
No, really. I didn't do shit.
This is what happens when gypsies own a $15,000,
Shut your
$20,000
face.
machine.
We're Americans. American.
No, you're supposed to say, I'm not a gajo, I'm a gypsy.
I'm a gajo guy.
You never say that! We're Americans!
Hey, come on.